So while we have these high-grade veins, we could leverage this and do large open cast mining, but still feed the plant with a really high-grade material that's been sorted by modern technology.
Hello, you're watching Proactive. Joining me is Tim Murray. He's the head of exploration at Andrada Mining. Tim, congratulations on yesterday's results. Firstly, could you give us some background on your Brandberg West license and how it fits into Andrada's asset portfolio?
Good morning, and thank you very much. So the Brandberg West license is similar to Uis in that it has a historical mine. Uis was developed by ISCOR, whereas Brandberg West used to be developed by Gold Fields. We picked up both these licenses because we believe that there's a lot of potential. Now, this first exploration program was to evaluate the potential, and that's what these results seem to show. We've got really high grades both within the existing pits and with the extensions to the north. This license not only has the Brandberg West mine, but we've also got extensions over the 35,000 hectares within Namibia.
So could you put those results then into context then, Tim?
In this instance, unlike Uis, where we've got a massive low-grade deposit, what we found here is that we've got a lot of closely stacked high-grade quartz veins. We have both tin and tungsten, which we were really interested in looking for, but we've also found that there are quite high grades of copper, which excites us in terms of project development and obviously working towards the critical mineral strategy.
So a variety of metals in the results. How does Andrada plan on going forward and developing these options, Tim?
Well, the great news here is that all of these minerals will concentrate together, both using gravity separation, which was historically used, but also looking at newer technologies like ore sorting. So while we have these high-grade veins, we could leverage this and do large open cast mining, but still feed the plant with a really high-grade material that's been sorted by modern technology.
So earlier this week, the company also announced a major strategic lithium partnership with SQM. How do yesterday's results tie in with your critical minerals strategy?
So SQM is a mining license which is spodumene dominant. Again, there we're looking at large pegmatites of a big area. And Brandberg West is a vein-hosted tin, tungsten, and our copper deposits. So while they're different metals, they all form part of this critical minerals basket where we aim to become a large producer from multiple areas producing multiple metals.
So what can we expect to see next from the company regarding the SQM deal and other news flow then?
So on the SQM side, the first phase that we're entering in now is basically to make sure we are evaluating the entire license properly, finding the extensions of the mineralizations, and then following that, we'll then do infill drilling to work towards a mineral resource. With regards to Brandberg West, we've still got the second batch of drill results coming out in the future, hopefully pretty soon, and I'm really excited to see how the high-grade mineralization continues.
Tim, I hope you'll keep us updated on any progress. Thank you very much for speaking with us today.
Definitely will. Thank you very much.
That's Tim Murray, the head of exploration at Andrada Mining.